Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are going to continue the category service category page to edit it. Okay, so guys, till now we have added the category and displayed the category, and now we want to edit this category. Okay, so that we can take this data into another page and where we can edit it and then update with it. Okay, so guys, let's get started with this. So first let us go to this page. So let's copy this route and let's go to routes web.php. So let us control F and search this. So it's over here. So let's go to our admin service controller. Let us click enter and click on that link. So we'll reach over here, and this is our page. Okay, so over here we are going to view that page. Done. So guys, this is the page now, which is this service category page, right? So guys, now we want to edit the data. So let's get started with it. So this is our a tag URL where I'm going to fetch the data into another page. So first we will fetch by using the ID, for example /service category or service category -edit /1. Okay, so this ID number 1 will be there, or ID number 2. So according to that we will be editing it. Okay, so yes guys, so let's get started with this. Okay, so we have to open this curly brace and tell URL where you are going to set as category or service category edit / and then give, after the single quote, give dot and call the item ID. Okay, so which we are calling it, which is already looped in the for each loop, so we can loop that ID also here. Okay, so done. Save it and let us see the it's clicking correct thing. Okay, so let's save it and get back, reload. So after reloading, yes guys, so let me hit click on it, edit, and we are redirected to this. Okay, so guys, now let's set a route and let us set the controller and create a page for it. So guys, let's get started. So copy this, Control C, and let's go to route. So where is our route? So here, route web.php, click on it and let's create a route called get. So where we are going to get the data using this / where you are going to pass ID, means just type ID in a single curly braces. Okay, open and close, and let's tag the controller. Okay, so I'm going to tag this inside admin folder, inside http controller admin folder. I have made one controller called service controller. So how I made the service controller is like, you should watch the part 1 of the category. Okay, so there you can understand how we made this controller. So over there I'm linking this and then going to edit. Okay, edit function. So let's type here and copy this edit, and let's go to our service controller. Over there you have to create a function, okay, or a method. So public function edit. Okay, so you have to, when you are getting a route, when you are getting ID using this route URL tag, so that time you can access over here. So I'm just going to set this ID, and let us simple create a variable called service category is equal to, call your model eloquent model service category eloquent model, where you are going to find by its ID, right? So you can type $ID. Done. So this $ID you will paste here. So this service category is already created in the model, right? So if you want to understand this how it is working, you have to watch the previous video of it. Okay, then you can understand how it's been created. So guys, now after this we are going to return and redirect to some page. Okay, so let us type return, and we are not going to redirect, we are going to one page. So with what, with the variable what you are going to create it. Done. So like this. So over here you are going to create one inside the admin folder. I have created a services folder. Okay, so let me click over here, go to resource, views, inside admin folder, services folder, you are going to create edit page. Okay, services dot edit. Okay, so copy this and let's create one edit, new file, edit.blade.php. Done. So the file is created now. So guys, as we have already done with this including and extending part, so we can just copy that and include the things. So I'm just going to copy this and paste over here. Okay, copy and paste. Done. Service category where you are going to edit, edit. Okay, so this is our page. Now it's coming. So just for testing purpose I'll write welcome to edit. Save this and let's execute this. So guys, let's get back, reload the page and type edit on this. So let me click on edit. So it's going to edit controller and here it's showing over here. Okay, it's been hidden because of no correct format to show over here. So guys, we will just take that only, like this form where we are going to add. So I'm going to use this form only for the editing part also. Okay, so guys, let's get back and copy that form. So that is inside the create one. Okay, so this is the create form, simple. So just click, type, copy it and go to your edit file and paste it. Simple form, it is nothing much, simple. This is a column. Okay, and this is a card header. So inside card header you are going to card body, then inside the body you are going to save all the things. Okay, so over here you are going to change the things like category, update over here. So this will be later on changed. Okay, so right now I'll just leave it as a empty. When we are going to change it, update, that time we will do it. Okay, so right now let's keep empty, and instead of add we will keep as edit. Clear. Okay guys, so let us change this value also as update. Okay, update data or category. Save it and let's reload this. Let's click on it, edit, and let's see the design. It's come the same format. Okay, service category edit. Now what we want to fetch that ID number 1 data. Okay, so we have already taken the variable from our controller. So guys, that is like this is the variable where we are passing it. Okay, so this variable we are getting from this table. Okay, so copy that variable and paste it in your values. So let me minimize this, and instead of placeholder you can tell value value and paste it. Okay, so not like this, you are going to echo this. Okay, and paste. And this is the text area, right? So in part of text area you are going to paste the data directly over here. Okay, it's not an input tag, so you can't give a value over here instead of it. So instead of that you can use this outside. Okay, if you put a value it will not accept it. So let's save this and let's reload the page and let's see the ID number 1 data comes over here. Okay, so let's reload. Here guys, it is coming like fully. with the array format. So what's the issue? Let me check out. Okay, so you are going to fetch that with their names. Okay, so that name will be like the table names, that is service name and the service description. So we have already copied that into our table format, right? So we'll just copy the same thing, edit and paste here the same name for the description also, service description, copy and paste. Done. So do not get confused, guys, this is the same table where I'm going to fetch that IDs. Okay, let's reload and see the output for it. Cool. So room cleaning it's coming, and this is the room cleaning services. So let's get back, and yeah guys, now it is second ID is tank cleaning. So let me check the tank cleaning is coming fine. Okay, yeah guys, so we have fetched the data over here. Now you can just edit it, and when you click on update, the data should get updated. Okay, so guys, for this updating part we will see in the next video how we are going to update it. Okay, so in this video that's it guys, we have successfully done how to edit the data or fetch the data into our text box. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.